Alright guys, so if you saw the last riding video, and I had some mud running out of the vent line, that was from the rear diff. There was, when I put it back on, this side I noticed was a little bit loose. There was a little bit of wiggle in the rear. Got that all straightened out. I went ahead and did the rear brake delete because the drum is notorious for pushing mud in through this area here and into the axle tube. So I went ahead and did the rear brake delete to help eliminate that. And then the snorkel, this is part of it, I'd flipped the four-wheeler upside down, and if you guys notice, my snorkel's tall. I'm 6'3", and it's, I don't know, I ain't got a tape measure out here, but it's tall. But anyways, it had cracked right at the joint in the in a fitting, because it flipped back over on top of me, about 3 foot of water, and I heard a snap, but it didn't break the snorkel. So tore it all completely out, completely redone it, tore the air box out, cleaned the air filter just to make sure. So completely new snorkel setup, sealed air box. I put a new axle on it, new tie rod ends, new brake pads, new front vent line for the front diff. I don't know if you can see it, and everything should be good to go. I replaced my O2 throttle position sensor because the fuel injection light was blinking. I hit the Guru up. I've unplugged it from the battery and left it, so, and it still flashes. Doesn't affect the running of it, but it flashes. And if you know me, I can't stand an issue. So yeah guys, just wanted to give a quick update on what was going on with the last video, what I was wrong with the bike, what I had found with it. I appreciate the comments. Cuzzo that asked me if I had done the teardown video, man. I don't got my phone with me, it's on the charger. You guys, I got a disturbing video coming out. Hope you don't mind, but I'm about to step out of bounds. Somebody stepped to me on YouTube in the comments, said something real nasty, and I'm gonna blast him. I feel like it's my duty, maybe he's gonna learn something. I didn't report him because I ain't no snitch, I ain't no coward, so I'm getting ready to dig in his ass in the next video. So if you don't want to watch me cuss some kid out, and I don't know how old he is, but I'm gonna show you his channel. I'm gonna show you his comment. You know, everybody thinks you put a comment up and you delete it and that's it. Oh no, shows up on the email, and I'm gonna show you exactly what he said. So guys, the bike is clean. I got a video, I don't know if it'll post before or after this one, but a video on me spraying the bike and what I used and why I'm using it, and also something going on with this white stuff here. So guys, stay tuned.